Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to reduce memory usage in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, press Open Task Manager with the help of Control, Shift and Escape. Maximize it. Now check memory usage. Click on the Process tab. We are already on Process tab. Now click on the Memory column. Here you will see. Click on it to see which app are using the most RAM. Here we will see the first one is Google Chrome, Desktop Window Manager, Ice Cream Screen and Microsoft Store. Now close unused app. So now I'm not using Microsoft Store. Right click on it. Then here you will see. Then click on End Task. This will immediately free up memory. So the next is disable startup apps. In Task Manager, click on Startup Apps. Right click apps you don't need when your PC starts and select disable. Like here you will see the status of all the apps, the status of the apps and startup impact, like mouse server.exe enabled high. So I don't need in the startup, so I will disable it. And you will see any other app which you don't want at startup, you can disable using right click. Finally, restart your PC to clear temporary memory usage and improve performance. And that's it. Now you know how to reduce memory usage in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.